At the bottom of page 2, we have a problem involving data for which we need to generate an ogive. Recall that an ogive is the cumulative frequency graph, and you'll see that they gave us the class minimum and maximum, so I could calculate if we have 5 classes that the width had to be 3. Notice that if I put the data in my calculator and order them, it's easier to count up how many have failed and how many have passed. Notice there were 5 that fell below the minimum of 14. So I wrote down my classes and counted up how many fell in each class, and I labeled my y-axis with the possible frequencies. Notice the max for the sum is 20. I've made my mark indicating that I didn't start an appropriate distance from the y-axis, labeled my tick marks, and notice the class boundaries, the minimums and maximums for each class. And now I'm going to put the midpoints for each class and calculate those midpoints. Notice the midpoint of 16.5 and 19.5 is 18. Now I'm going to actually plot the values for each midpoint. Notice that's 6, that first class there's 1. Now for the first 2 classes there were 2. Adding the first 3 I got 5, adding the first 4 I got 11, and adding the first 5 I plotted 20.